Durston is now bringing you a more affordable, accessible, compact and fully featured powered rolling mill. Proudly made in the UK, the Agile 110 has all the Durston quality you expect, with a super smooth gearbox and motor. The clever design has the inverter and electronics hidden away for safety. The 1 horsepower motor gives you powerful rolling with a consistent, reliable performance. And the Agile 110 is perfect for pattern rolling, enabling you to easily add unique textures to your creations, all with this new, low-cost rolling mill. The main controls give you complete flexibility, including the special Elite T-bar for easy roller adjustment, variable digital speed control, both forward and reverse, to fine-tune your process, and safety features, including an emergency stop and safety bars. Both double and single-sided machines are available, each designed around a compact format to suit your workspace, and both feature 110mm wide induction-hardened rolls to 64 RC. Extension roller ready. A full range of Durston extension rollers is available as optional extras. The Agile 110 powered rolling mill is accessible to all, offering high performance at a competitive price. Durston, the power you need, now within reach.